Hey guys, here's another video. Naomi's not here today, just laying in my bed. I was watching YouTube and, watching our video. It sucks really bad. But, we just started. So I have my hair is a mess, but my pillow is beautiful. My blanket. If you can see it, this is my blanket. Yeah. This is my kitty. Yeah, my room is kind of a mess right now. I would show you my room, but it's a mess. Side of my hair is a mess too. I'm just gonna be chilling here, watching YouTube and and like texting people. Talk too, I think, because I have to go. So yeah, this is just little thing, so I just wanted you guys to catch up. Yeah, we're gonna be making a video today, and yeah, so yeah, by the way, subscribe, comment, JD Family and Friends, and make sure to go down in the comments below and tell us if you want us to make more videos. Peace. By the way, guys, there will be a house tour for both of our houses. Sorry that I'm sounding like this. I'm kind of sick. Yeah. Bye, guys. Peace out. Bye, guys.